Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft java.lang.NullPointerException. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you are encountering this issue when trying to run Minecraft, I'm going to present you 3 methods that might help you. First, open up your control panel and click the Java tab. First thing to check is see if you are running the appropriate latest released version of Java. So click on the Update tab and then select Update Now at the bottom right corner of the screen. Java is going to attempt check for updates, and if you have any pending updates, it's going to start the setup and install them automatically. After it does, reboot your system and try playing Minecraft again. If this doesn't solve your problem straight away, or if you already have the latest version of Java, close out of it, go into Programs and Features. What you have to try do now is uninstall Java completely, so if the current version of Java wasn't enough or updating it also didn't solve the problem, do a clean installation of Java. Uninstall any and all versions you have of Java, go to their website and download the latest one again. After you do this, if it still doesn't work, the last method is to press the Windows plus R key on your keyboard or go to the Windows Start menu and open up the Run command. In here, type %appdata% and press OK. In the .minecraft folder, save anything that you want to back up, so your worlds, maybe resource packs, etc., and delete the entire folder. After you delete everything inside .minecraft, open up the launcher with latest version of Java installed and reinstall Minecraft from scratch, and your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft java.lang.NullPointerException. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.